Hello. Once again, this is Chester for the Exams Pro Masterclass Review Center for our civil service exams review, specifically the numerical ability part of the exams. Now we've got a problem here. A tank contains 120 liters of water. If 30 liters are removed, what percent of the water remains? Is it A, 60%, B, 65%, C, 70%, D, 75%? Computin po natin. Common po itong tanong sa civil service. Okay? So, kung may alam na po tayo tungkol dito, kahit tingin lang po natin, 3 seconds, alam na po natin yung sagot. Pero himay-himayin po natin. Okay? 120 liters. Okay? Ang binawas po, 30 liters. Okay? Ilan po yung remaining? 90 liters. Kasi 30 plus 90, that's 120 liters. Ang tanong, ilang percent ang natitira? That is 90%. Ilang percent ang 90%, ang 90 liters sa 120 liters? Okay? So, label po natin, 90 liters is what remains and 30 liters, yan po yung removed. Okay? What is 120? Yan po yung base or sa computation natin, palagi siya po ang denominator. Okay? So, 120 is the base or when doing the computations, that will be the denominator. Ano yun po ang numerator? Yun po yung kung alin ang interesado tayo. In this case, what remains? Ilang litro po? 90 liters. So, numerator, 90 liters, denominator, 120. Okay? So, simplify, divide both by 30, that will be 3. And 120 divided by 30, that's 4. And we know 3/4 is 0.75. Okay? And pag gawin natin siyang percent, divide natin ng 100, magiging pong 75%. Okay? Answer po is letter D. Ngayon sa unang tingin lang po, kahit wala na pong computation, bawal po ang calculator sa civil service, madali lang po tayo makasagot niyan dapat. At diretso po tayo sa susunod na tanong, saving us a lot of time. Thank you so much. We're gonna see each other in the next video.